Ethereum, close by Bitcoin and Dogecoin, is one of those digital forms of money that are notable even beyond the crypto local area. What's more, it is justifiably Ethereum is one of the most component-rich and fascinating blockchains out there. Other than being a staggeringly creative innovation, Ethereum is likewise an extraordinary resource for speculation. Dissimilar to little altcoins, it has to a lesser degree an opportunity to fail spectacularly, however it actually can possibly moon and bring its financial backers cosmic benefits. In this video, we will endeavor to estimate how Ethereum's cost might act from here on out. Kindly recollect that because of the erratic and unpredictable nature of the digital currency market, all crypto value forecasts ought to be accepted tentatively. This video doesn't comprise venture counsel. What is Ethereum? The most effective way to improve as a financial backer and increment your benefit is to more deeply study the resource you're working with. While digital currency costs in contrast to those of conventional resources, like stocks, are more speculative in nature and depend much less on their characteristic worth, they actually depend somehow or another on what the coin token can and should have the option to do. For instance, digital currencies like Polkadot might see a flood in cost if their capacity to give blockchain interoperability out of nowhere turns out to be particularly popular. As a renowned and famous cryptographic money, Ethereum and its usefulness aren't precisely covered in secret. The vast majority have caught wind of its association with savvy contracts, NFTs, and DeFi. In any case, that is not entirely there as to that coin, since Ether brings much more to the table. Ethereum was sent off back in 2015 and is renowned for being a decentralized and open-source evidence of work blockchain with savvy contracts usefulness. Dissimilar to Bitcoin, Ethereum has an uncapped stock. Quite possibly of the greatest test that Ethereum needs to defeat sooner rather than later is its always rising exchange charges, or, as they're required this specific organization, gas expenses. The more individuals use Ethereum, the higher those gas charges become, making the coin's developing notoriety a blade that cuts both ways. Increasingly more digital forms of money with comparative functionalities, however less expensive exchange costs and higher throughput, as Solana, Sol, keep on arising. In any case, the execution and send-off of the merge will probably turn what is happening near and address in any event a portion of these issues. By the day's end, what separates ETH from different coins is the range of this digital currency's capabilities. Ethereum has a lot of cool highlights and plans for the future. For this reason, this digital currency is as famous among crypto financial backers for all intents and purposes. ETH isn't simply a speculative resource, it has genuine worth. Ethereum 2.0. The send-off of Ethereum 2.0 is presumably one of the most expected occasions in the crypto business right now. The change nearly everybody is amped up for the most is the switch of the Ethereum blockchain from the confirmation of work agreement instrument to the proof of stake one. 2022 has brought a great deal of changes not exclusively to the Ethereum system, yet additionally the actual update. As far as one might be concerned, the undertakings group would rather not refer to it as ETH 2.0 ETH2 any longer, saying that it doesn't relate to Ethereum's guide any longer. There have been different explanations behind leaving the ETH2 name, and you can peruse more about them on the coin's true site. Nonetheless, this doesn't imply that Ethereum deserted its arrangements to change to a proof-of-stake agreement instrument. As a matter of fact, the most important move towards the progress has proactively been taken a really long time back with the arrival of the beacon chain. It fills in as an agreement layer, and it likewise acquainted verification of stake with the biological system, without transforming anything about the Ethereum we as a whole use as of now. Ethereum, ETH, price prediction for 2022 to 2030. If it's not too much trouble, recollect that it is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $2,145.83 in August 2022. ETH price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have dissected Ethereum costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022 $2,291.68. The most reduced and top ETH rates may be $2,212.58 and $2,543.34. October 2022. Ethereum price forecast. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the ETH cost will be around $2,383.34. In October 2022, the Ethereum cost might drop to at least $2,304.25. The normal pinnacle worth may be $2,657.92 in October 2022. ETH price forecast for November 2022. Having dissected Ethereum costs, digital money specialists expect that the ETH rate could arrive at a limit of $2,777.09 in November 2022. It may, in any case, drop to $2,351.91. For November 2022, the determined normal of Ethereum is almost $2,431.01. December 2022. Ethereum price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Ethereum cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $2,503.94. Crypto experts expect that in December 2022, the ETH cost could change somewhere in the range of $2,405.07 and $2,898.64. Ethereum price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Ethereum in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Ethereum will be around $3,645.51. The most extreme expected ETH cost might be around $4,228.43. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $3,745.67 in 2023. Ethereum price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Ethereum, in 2024, ETH is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs. About $5,239.91 and $6,345.88, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $5,389.74. Ethereum price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Ethereum and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025,